Hi, good day, M6375. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Daya Cristina de Rosario Santos, 43 years old, Catholic, a single parent blessed with two kids, aged of 20 and 17 years old.
Okay, your religion.
Yes, sir. Again.
Religion.
Sorry, I'm Catholic,
Your highest educational attainment.
high school graduate.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper.
My
Your work experience as a helper
my
in
work
Singapore.
experience in Singapore for 4 years, taking care of kids and the elder son, couple, and the grandma. Total of
Five members of the
five members of
family.
the family.
Okay, and other household chores that you do.
I do all the I do all the household chores, including marketing, cleaning the house, washing, cooking, and mostly taking care of the kid.
Okay, you are the one who taking care of the kids.
Yes.
Okay, since I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby in Singapore, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yeah.
Okay, for sure you have an idea how to prepare a milk for a
Yes, I
newborn,
have an
right?
idea.
Because you have children.
Yes.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
Check the diaper and also the temperature, or maybe she's hungry.
Okay. And if the baby won't stop to cry after you did all of your best, you check the diaper, you check the temperature, and feed the baby, but won't stop to cry, what will you do?
I need to call my mom to inform about the baby still crying.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because the Hong Kong well known as a safety place and also offer the high salary.
And how long do you want to work in Hong
As
Kong?
long my employer asks me to continue to work.
So it is okay to you to work,
Yes.
right? Okay. Um, do you have an idea how to prepare Chinese food because you are ex Singapore, right?
Yes, no, I know how to cook Chinese food.
Okay, what kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
Steamed fish, fried fish, so also the noodles.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
It's okay, ma'am.
It is okay to you to share job with other helper.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup.
It's okay, ma'am.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes, I love
Taking
this.
care of elderly.
It's okay, ma'am, with the elderly.
It is okay to you to taking care with them, to take care of or to go in the bathroom, to go in the hospital for checkup. It is okay with you?
I haven't tried, but I'm willing to learn.
Okay. If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Ma'am, sir, please hire me. I'm a hardworking, obedient, and also an honest person and willing to follow your family rules.
Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Leia Cristina. Thank you.
Thank you. Kapamuyo